right, so you might be asking yourself, where are we? Well, we are at the Beavertail Lighthouse in Middletown, Rhode Island. I just like to call it Newport because that's really where we are. But this is the third oldest lighthouse in the United States of America, but it's an even more special location because this is where Lily and I got engaged. I did it right over here in this spot. Right here, the water, the lighthouse in the background.
It's the most magical place.
Yeah, it is. It's super calm. Like usually it's like super windy, like near the ocean. Right now it's like great, so great. And so when I proposed, I originally planned, instead of that other spot to the side, to go on here. This is the original foundation of the lighthouse. I don't know if it fell or was like attacked, I can't remember. But it had this sign, so I was like super scared, like a little girl. And you know, then we go online and we see other people like taking wedding photos on it, and I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, it's smooth. I know.
What if we fell?
I know.
And died.
And broke the original foundation.
Yeah.
And also, when I was proposing, fun fact, I was putting the ring on her right hand instead of her left hand. And
I was so like happy and crying that I didn't even care. And then I was like, but,
oh my god, no!
I was like, but wait, it's on my right, you're putting it on my right hand. And it like felt like right, but it was wrong. So.
I was new. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
My first time ever, guys. Don't act like you've never been new at something before. Next week, it'll be a year since we got engaged, and I have to be in the office next Saturday, and Sunday my brother's in town for a wedding. He lives in California, so you know, we're gonna spend time with him. So this is really the best opportunity to come over here, and it's gorgeous, and it's still summertime, and it's not too hot, not too cold. But this is an awesome spot, and obviously it's a very special one to both of us because where we got engaged.
That's right.
So we're on location, and we're gonna be hanging out in Newport. Let's see what we can get into. It's a load. It's a lot. All right, so we're down in Newport now, on Thames Street, named after the River Thames in London, I believe. I'm not sure about that, but it sounds like it'd be right. We are gonna go rent some scoot coops. If you've never seen them before, they're like a little...
You'll see.
Yeah. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Shh. They're a bunch of fun, good time. So my hair's probably gonna get a little messy. So I apologize in advance. Actually, you know what? I don't. But I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. So let's see what we can get into. So we in this good coop. The sweet. Yeah, it's a little three-wheeler. It feels like you're going a lot faster than you are. It only goes like 30, but it's a ton of fun. And we're just looking at this beautiful view right here. This like view is like gorgeous. And there's like a statue and gazebos. But what a perfect day. Like, it's not windy at all. I hope wind isn't getting picked up on this mic as I'm saying that. It's not really windy. It's like perfect amount of sun, but it's not hot or not like, you know, sweltering. Rochambeau, baby. Yeah, it's an absolutely gorgeous day, gorgeous views, as you can see right here. So let's get a better look at this little beast. Sporting the 3 wheels with the sport rim package, as you can see. Boom, I got the candy apple green with the candy apple accents. Got the black and red leather seats.
Suicide doors.
Yep. Got the half beaten off, half the dead flag, tape barely hanging that some bitch on. We out here, we out here. Quick thought I wanted to share that my beautiful fiance brings out the best of me, because if I was by myself, I probably might be like a little skittish to like film myself in public.
Which, who cares, life's too short.
I know, yeah, I know, but like with her, like there's like zero fear.
Pretty sweet. Having some difficulties.
So, what'd you say?
So we're having some difficulties.
So the scoot tube doesn't want to start, but I think maybe because it's leaning.
Yeah, we could just say that.
I'm gonna try right here.
All around me are familiar faces.
Yikes. Success!
Yep, we get by with a little help from our friends. Alright, Scoot Coop Sesh officially over.
It was so fun.
We had so much fun just cruising around, seeing the mansions and the sights as you guys saw. And now we're about to go get some food. We're starving.
Yep.
We're gonna go hit up Diego's. If you saw one of my previous videos, no, it's down here. If you saw one of my previous videos, then you know that Diego's is the spot.
Yeah.
It is the spot.
They have vegan options.
Yeah. So we're gonna go do that right now, grub out, and we'll catch you guys there. And we're here. We got brunch and lunch options. Don't know what we're gonna get. Metro Cart Chill Coffees. You look a little salty. Have yourself a chill coffee. So we got street tacos, plant-based style. We got nachos, cracked fries, all plant-based, and it was amazing. I'm hurting for certain. Time for some coffee. So Diego's was fire, as usual.
I have a blister on my foot, as usual.
So we're just gonna get some coffee before we hit the road. It is like packed down here now. We were like here early. We did all like everything we wanted to do so early, and it was awesome.
Yep.
So now we're just gonna get some coffee and then hit the road.
Hit the road. Oh,
Hit the road. Early bird catches the worm.
I'm pretending because it's boiling hot.
Yeah. I'm leaving that in there. Espresso on deck. Literally on deck.
Oh my god, literally.
Yeah, right off the water. It's been a great day. What's going on? So Lily and I are about to leave, but I wanted to find somewhere quiet just to talk to you guys. Basically, what I wanted to say was, guys, there's people out there that are crushing it and are doing so much better than you because you're not doing anything. There's people out there that have way more talent than you that are ahead of you because they're simply taking action. And there's people that, you know, could kick my ass that I'm ahead of because I'm out here doing it, doing what I need to do, doing what I want to do, and vice versa. Long story short, all you need to do is get out there and start doing things. people are ahead of you that have way less talent than you because they're putting in the work. So if you put in the work, you'll be light years ahead of anyone that's not doing anything. It's like that old saying goes, you know, even if you're making slow progress, you're still lapping everyone on the couch. Now, let's go back home. So we're home, we're tired. I think we're gonna go take a nap, even though Lily slept the entire ride home. Take a quick nap before we begin our adventures on this Saturday night.
What adventures?
Oh, you'll see, my dear.
There's more?
You'll see. There's always more. But I guess where I want to wrap this video up is just saying, go do shit. People are way ahead of you because you're not doing anything. Stop delaying and go do it right now. Start that YouTube channel. Start that project. Go get that gym membership. Whatever it is for you. Alright? I do release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. So if you're new, consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos. I do release bonus videos at random, so you don't want to miss those. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.